thunderstorms galore.
I want to see a NATO.
I want to see an EF5 NATO. But not injure anybody.
No, just structural damage.
Just field damage. Yeah. Woo-wee, it is getting windy. Said severe thunderstorm watch. There's a line coming at about 5 p.m. and gonna get cloudy at like 6 p.m. about. And then there's another line coming at 8 p.m. Not sure if you guys saw that, but I just saw lightning. We are gonna go down into the garage. Raining now. Little bit of thunder. Wind picking up. Look, you can tell that it is raining way over there. We're about to get clapped by some red, orange, and yellow, which means heavy rain and thunder and lightning. Look, I'm not sure if you guys can see it going to town, but coming in waves of rain. It is a nice and hot day today. Said about 84 today, I think. Right now it's about 84, and it feels like about 91, which is epic. Humid, very humid. I love hot weather and nice weather, and I love thunderstorms, as if you guys could tell from the last video. The last thunderstorm video, I should say. That one was like 45 minutes long. I'm not keeping this one anywhere near that long. If it does thunderstorm again at about 8 p.m., then I should end this thunderstorm that I am filming now. Oh yeah. And the one at 8 p.m. if it does. Then that one should be, then they would be the same video, just combined. Not seeing any lightning. I saw 2 flashes, and I've heard a little bit of thunder. Not as much as the last thunderstorm video. It smells good out here too. Smells like a nice end of spring, early summer thunderstorm. Oh yeah. The red and stuff, the red, orange, and yellow and stuff is about to hit. Within the next couple minutes. Well, the rain is picking up. Pouring. I guess you can say. Oh, my heart kind of dropped on that one. Holy crap. Holy crap-a-roly. That was a good one. The yellow, orange, and red stuff is just coming over us. Just starting to come over us. Kind of slowing down now. Definitely got a little cooler, but still about 81 degrees. 81, 83 degrees. One of those two temps. A little bit ago it was just 84 and it felt like, actually it was 81 and it felt like 84, so definitely cooled down a little right before the, like, when it was starting to rain and storm. Kinda just a steady rain at this point. A steady moderate rain. Definitely slowing down a good bit. Not really hearing any thunder, well, right now. Guess the storm is passing by. Well, just sorta ending, because it is still raining a little bit. But I will pick it up later if... Okay, it just thundered a little bit. You guys probably heard that. And it's moving that way. And if it storms later, obviously I will pick it up again later when it thunderstorms at around 8. And said it might thunderstorm like all night, but possibly it might not. But if it doesn't, then peace out for now. We'll just peace out in general. But maybe just a peace out for now moment, because obviously it might, well, most likely a peace out for now moment. But see you guys later if it does. If not, then peace out. Hopefully, I see you guys again later. In the evening at 8. Rain sounds like it's sorta picking up again. But never mind for right now. Raining just the slightest bit harder again. So like I said, never mind for the peace out moment. But the thunder is definitely moving on that way. So beautiful and so green. It almost looks like a jungle, it's so green. I just saw a little bird. It's back there. Not sure if you guys can see it moving or not. Okay, now it's slowing down again. Obviously, I'll pick it up every time it gets harder, or when there, or if it storms again tonight, which I hope it does. Because then that would be a nighttime thunderstorm also going up on YouTube. And hopefully it does, so I can film a nighttime thunderstorm. And it will be the same video, just different line of storms. And I think we can finally do a peace out moment for now. So, peace out for now. Hope I see you guys later for round 2 of storms. But if not, then this might possibly be the end of the video, but hopefully not. It looks like just a little bit of rain coming, just the green. Not any yellow, orange, and red stuff coming. Until later tonight at 8 and over and past 8. So hopefully I see you guys then. And it looks like the sun might be trying to peek out. I'm not quite sure. It definitely is getting brighter. It's pretty much done raining for the most part, just a little bit of sprinkling. And of course when I say that, it picks back up a little bit. But look, the sun shining on the car. Oh, we might get a rainbow then. The sun is up that way, and if there is a rainbow, it would be over that way. But it's looking like it's not quite bright enough for a rainbow yet. But if we see one, then of course I will catch it on camera. Looks like it's not even raining anymore. And the sun not even trying to peek through, so there's no rainbow. Putting my hand out, not feeling anything, just feeling a little bit of misty action. So, looks like either peace out for today's video, or peace out until later, but hopefully a peace out till later, because I really want to catch a nighttime thunderstorm on YouTube for you guys. It'll be Everyday Andrew's first nighttime thunderstorm catch. See some blue up there. This would be my second or third daytime thunderstorm catch. Hopefully we have a nighttime later tonight. Well, tonight, I should just say. And that would be cool. That would be very cool. I hope we do. Let's hope for it to happen. Well, obviously you guys can kind of not hope, because you guys would see it if it happens. So I should be the one that's hoping for it, because you guys would watch it after it happened in the first place. So peace out for now. Or peace out until the next video. Second line of storms is on the way. Look at the lightning over there. Currently 8:51, and it said it would hit at about 10:50, 10:51-ish. They are still really far away, or decently far away. It's about 2 more hours until they hit. And the smaller ones this time.